Tom, nice one.
Great fish, all right?
Yeah.
You can away from the motor. Good dance. Another.
To a fat albie.
Going down. Get close when you start to circle. Back up. Aesthetically, is it okay for you to pick up the leader, but nothing above that? Is that how it works? Well, yeah, you want to touch, you want to touch the leader. If you touch the leader, it's an official catch. That's all.
Is he coming in the boat?
He is. He's having a good time. He's going up through.
Tell me if you need a hand down.
I got him. Right, first legal proper bonito. Is that a bonito?
No, that's an albacore.
Albacore, right.
Turn on, Don.
You get the hook up. Well, look at that.
Yeah, you gotta hold it up there, Drew.
Keep him off the side of the boat.
Oh yeah.
Don't keep him off the side of the boat so he doesn't bleed all over it.
Oh yeah. Nice fish.
Can you get a still shot of that?
1 second. Don, maybe turn it on.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Beautiful.